Hi everyone! Welcome to Learn and Grow, the channel where we learn something new every day. Today's English word of the day is curious. Curious means wanting to know or learn more about something. A curious person enjoys asking questions and discovering new things. Here's an example. She is curious about space and science. If you love learning, exploring, and asking questions, then you are a curious person too. Try using the word curious in a sentence today and share it in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Learn and Grow, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our daily English words and learning tips. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning and keep growing.